Most people don't fail because they're not talented. They fail because they can't stay consistent. You start strong. You feel motivated. You promise yourself, this time I'll change. Then 3 days later, you disappear. And the worst part is not the failure. The worst part is the shame. You start thinking, maybe I'm just not built for discipline. But psychology says you're not weak. You're running the wrong system. Let's break down why some people can't stay consistent and how to fix it without forcing motivation. If you've been stuck in this cycle, subscribe, because this channel gives you real explanations and real solutions. 1. You're addicted to motivation, not discipline. Motivation feels powerful. It's emotional. It makes you feel unstoppable. But motivation is a chemical high. It spikes, and then it drops. Consistency is not built on hype. It's built on boring repetition. The truth is, you don't need to feel motivated to show up. You need to show up even when you feel nothing. That's what consistency really is. 2. Your goals are too big for your nervous system. Most people set goals like this. I'm going to work out every day. I'm going to quit my phone completely. I'm going to wake up at 5 a.m. forever. It sounds strong, but it's not realistic. Your nervous system sees that goal and feels pressure, and pressure creates avoidance. So you don't fail because you're lazy. You fail because your brain feels threatened by the size of the change. Big goals don't create consistency. Small goals do. 3. You don't have an identity to protect. People who stay consistent don't rely on willpower. They rely on identity. They don't say, I'm trying to work out. They say, I'm a person who trains. They don't say, I'm trying to study. They say, I'm someone who learns. Consistency becomes easier when quitting feels like breaking who you are. If you don't build identity, every habit feels optional, and optional habits always disappear. 4. You're chasing perfection, not progress. You miss one day, and instead of continuing, you think, I ruined it. So you quit completely. That's not laziness. That's perfectionism. Psychology calls this all or nothing thinking. You think you must be perfect or you're failing. So one mistake becomes the reason you stop. But consistent people don't care about perfect. They care about returning. Missing a day is normal. Quitting forever is the problem. 5. Your environment is designed to break your focus. Your phone is built to steal attention. Social media is built to destroy patience. Entertainment is built to make effort feel painful. So when you try to stay consistent, it feels like fighting the whole world. You don't need more willpower. You need fewer triggers. Consistency improves when your environment becomes clean. 6. You don't have a system. You only have hope. A lot of people don't have a routine. They have a wish. They wake up and hope they feel productive. They hope motivation comes. They hope the day becomes perfect. But hope is not a strategy. Consistency is a system. A system means you know exactly what happens each day, even when you don't feel like it. A system is what saves you on your worst days. 7. Your brain doesn't trust you anymore. Every time you promise yourself and break it, your brain notices. Every time you say, I'll start tomorrow, and you don't, your brain stores that as evidence. Over time, you lose self-trust. And without self-trust, consistency becomes hard, because deep down you believe, I'm not going to follow through anyway. So you don't even try fully. This is why consistency is not just discipline, it's self-respect. How to fix consistency in a simple way. Step 1. Make it so small you can't fail. Pick a habit so easy it feels stupid. Not 1 hour, not 30 minutes. Start with 5 minutes. Consistency is not built by intensity. It's built by repetition. Step 2. Attach it to something you already do. After brushing your teeth, do 5 minutes of workout. After lunch, study for 5 minutes. After waking up, write one goal. This is called habit stacking. It removes thinking. Step 3. Never miss twice, miss one day. Fine, but never miss 2 days in a row. One miss is life. 2 misses becomes a new identity, the person who quits. Step 4. Track it visually. Use a calendar. Mark an X. Your brain loves streaks, and streaks build momentum. Step 5. Stop waiting to feel ready. You will never feel ready. You will never feel perfect. Consistency is showing up while imperfect. Final message. If you can't stay consistent, it doesn't mean you're lazy. It means your system is broken. Fix the system. Make the habit smaller. Build identity. Protect your environment, and rebuild self-trust. Because once you master consistency, everything changes. Your confidence changes. Your future changes. Your life changes. And it all starts with one simple decision. Show up today, even if it's small. That's consistency. That's growth. And that's how you win.